Hello friends, welcome back to RB English Academy. In this video, we are about to see a topic regular and irregular verb. Let's get into the session. Before getting into the topic, we should know what is verb. Verbs are the action words that describe what the subject is doing. So, we used to call verb as an action word. It describes the action what the subject is doing. For example, he is writing or he is eating. So, writing and eating is the action doing by the subject. Okay, types of verbs. There are two types of verbs, regular verb and irregular verb. Let's see one by one. First, let me see what is regular verb. Verbs whose simple past and past participle have a set or fixed ending, which are called regular verbs. So, we used to tell verb as a first form of verb, second form of verb, and third form of verb. First form of verb is simple present. Second form of verb V2 is simple past. And third form of verb is past participle. It should be fixed ending in regular verb. Okay, here I have given few examples. Stop, stopped, stopped. Cry, cried, cried. Fill, filled, filled. So the base verb will not change. Just we have to add D or ED or IED. Here I have given few rules. If the verb ends in a consonant Y, remove the Y and add IED. Here I have given carry, hurry, marry, study. All the words are ending in Y. So we have to remove the letter Y and we have to add IED. Carried, hurried, married, studied. The verb 2 and verb 3 will remain same. And the rule number 2 is, if a verb ends in E, simply add D. For example, like, love, hate. So we have to add just D. Liked, loved, hated. Likewise, we have to add just D to the verb. And the next rule is, there are three ways to pronounce ed dependent on the last letter of the verb. Verb ending in F, K, S, CH, SH and X. We have to add ed to the verb. For example, crack, cracked, punish, punished. Likewise, we have to add ed to the verb. Verb ending in D or T. Example, need, needed, want, wanted. And next, let me see what is irregular verb. Certain verbs which either change their forms completely or remain the same. These are known as irregular verbs. So in regular verb, the form will not be changed. We have to just add D or ED or IED to the verb. But in irregular verb, the entire form will be changed. For example, buy, bought, bought. Bring, brought, brought. Eat, ate, eaten. For irregular verb also we have some rules. Let me see one by one. Verbs which have the same base form for past simple and past participle. For example, cut, cut, cut. Put, put, put. Hurt, hurt, hurt. So in all the forms the verb will be remain same. There will not be any change in the verb. And in the next one, verbs which have the same past simple and past participle. So in the first thing, all the three will be remain same. Here past simple and past participle will remain same. For example, bring, brought, brought, catch, caught, caught, teach, taught, taught. And in the next one, verbs which have the same base form and past participle. Here the verb to will be changed, base form and past participle will never change. For example, come, came, come, become, became, become, run, ran, run. And in the next form, verbs which have a different base form, past simple and past participle. Here all the three forms will be different. For example, eat, ate, eaten, speak, spoke, spoken, write, wrote, written. So these are all irregular verbs. I hope you all have understand the concept of regular and irregular verbs. What is the difference between regular and irregular verb? Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.